Guys, welcome back to my channel, Chelsea So Random, and today y'all we have one of the best American diner foods, Waffle House. Now if you don't agree with me, you're lying, because Waffle House is one of the best in the game, so don't play with them. Okay, so we have here is the all-star American breakfast. I think I'm saying that right. So you got toast. I'm going to show you up close. You got your toast, you have your bacon, you have your hash browns, and you have your scrambled egg with cheese. And then you have that good old classic Waffle House waffle. Let's start talking and let's dig in. First thing we do, the bib must be on. Let's get our butter situated because we got to. That's how we roll. I don't really need a lot of butter on my waffle, y'all, because I'm eating, y'all. As you can tell, this is the meal of the day. This is my only full meal I'll be having today. I'll be eating a salad for dinner, and that'll be that. But it should keep me full all day, honestly, y'all. Okay, and then we're gonna put a little syrup, Waffle House syrup on here. Now, this was a poll taken, well, given a couple days ago, maybe Wednesday, I think, or was it Thursday? Maybe Wednesday or Thursday of this week. And I voted which I want me to eat for the mukbang, and the majority voted for Waffle House. That's why we have it, because y'all, I hit 400 subscribers, but then I went back to $3.99. So let's just do a preemptive, yay, 400 subscribers, okay? Because y'all, at this point, I'm close. I'm right there, right? Yeah. So this is the hash browns, y'all. If you've never been to Waffle House, this is how it looks. It's like a little stringy action there. Yeah, let's eat, because we playing. Y'all, I'm ready to eat. Look at that. I got foil, y'all. Keep my food warm. You want a bite? Okay. Okay. Take a bite. Take a bite. And y'all, it's so loud. Open this because I don't know about y'all, but I like a little pepper on my eggs. The pepper on my eggs, y'all. Yeah. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Today's drink is one of my favorites, or the favorite of mine, is the Vintage Cola by Olipop. And y'all, don't look at the nails. When I tell y'all I'm having a rough go this week, well, the end of the week, I'm pretty sure I have a sinus infection, but I couldn't really do the video. Yesterday I was not feeling well at all. Oh, but that burn. That burn do it every time. That burn does it every time. Okay. And y'all, there's something to be said about Waffle House toast. It's just sunbeam, like sliced bread and butter, but nobody do it like Waffle House. Nobody. I can't focus too much on this bread, y'all, because I need the star of the show. Look at that. Egg, y'all. Scrambled with cheese. Can't tell I'm hungry. Bacon. Look at that. What I do is I put it on, I can make a little bed, right? Like that. I'm sorry for the share, but oh my gosh. I'm so hungry. I fasted for like, as you know, like my 16 hours. So I stopped eating around 7:30-ish. You guys. You gotta have the ketchup with the fries, with the hash browns. So good. Some ketchup. Y'all. I'm gonna be quiet for a little bit, y'all, because the girl hungry. Ooh. These are very hard to like get with a fork for some reason. These hash browns. Bacon bread. Yo, I be wanting to have YouTube brunches. Have y'all come out, enjoy good food, talk, and just chill. It's like a meet and greet, but better because it has food, you know? And good conversation. But maybe, you know, like enough interest, I'll do that. Because a lot of people who subscribe, fire people, okay? Fire. It was love to meet you guys. Okay, I know I'm neglecting that waffle, y'all. I hear y'all. I hear y'all. What a waffle at? I hear you, but this bacon and egg combo, y'all, delicious. So delicious. Okay, okay. I hear y'all. I hear y'all. Now, y'all, I don't know if I'm gonna get through this whole waffle. If I do, but don't hurt me if I don't, okay? Have a bite, y'all. It's a little cold. Hold on. Okay, so it's nice and warm because y'all, I can't suck through no cold waffle, y'all. Now, let me give y'all offer y'all a nice hot piece of waffle. Look at that. Can y'all see the steam yet? Oh, look at that. Mm. Yeah, I don't like my waffles like drowned in syrup. It'd be a nice ratio. Similar to how my cake and my cupcakes, it gotta be a nice ratio of icing to cupcake. I prefer less icing in my cupcake. So, y'all, if you have not, if you have not been at Waffle House before, please go. Even if you're visiting America, go to your nearest Waffle House. But check the ratings first, okay? 3.5 and above, you're good to go. 3.4 and down, read the comments. Read the comments. That's all I'm gonna say. I'll tell you, this is enough carb for me for the next 2 days. Y'all, sinuses is a beast. Last year I got so sick. I got my sinus infection was so severe. If I didn't go when I did to the ear, nose, and throat doctor, I would need the surgery. What I tell y'all, and it was my birthday, y'all. Look, that kind of pain, I would choose the COVID I had this year over the sinus infection I had last year. That's how bad it was, y'all. No, ma'am. No, sir. That's why I'm a little bit wary right now. I'm like, please don't let it be like last year. Excuse me, y'all. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. What do I do? What do I do? These eggs busting, y'all. If I was like, oh, she's using her left hand. If y'all ain't know, I can write with both my hands. Okay? I can. And my son is a lefty, y'all. That's so funny. Y'all. This food is so good. The Waffle House never disappoints. And their biz model is so simple. They will last an apocalypse. You hear me? Everything gonna be gone. McDonald's gonna be gone. But you can look over and you're gonna see Waffle House like, how can I help you today? Look, they gonna make it. They make it. I don't know how long they be open, but they open for a reason. They still here. Y'all. Okay, okay. Look, y'all. I did my bacon and egg combo, y'all. Look at that bacon. So freaking good. Y'all. I'm sorry if I'm smacking too much in this video. Look at that, y'all. That kind of butter. Gosh. Usually, I would add some jam on here, but they forgot my jam, y'all. I forgot it. I'm eating like I ain't eaten in days. I feel like I am. Oh well. Alright, y'all. Because I haven't wiped my mouth not once yet, y'all. Excuse me. Oh, this food's so good. See, the food making me feel better. If only temporarily, it's making me feel better. We got this much hash brown left, y'all. Oh wait, I gotta cut. Ooh, I want a bite. Take that with the ketchup on there. Remind me of a little bit like a Chick-fil-A fry. We're 18 minutes in, and I just want to thank everybody for who are subscribed to my channel. And if you're not, please subscribe, like, and share this video. And thank you whoever is subscribed to my channel, because y'all are really helping, you know, just helping me get to my goal of, you know, being on YouTube and just even just hanging out with me, y'all. That's what I really appreciate. Y'all hanging out with me and coming back to see me. Like, that's it and that's all. So thank y'all from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. As I chomp down on this food, y'all, and smacking. Ooh, Y'all. Excuse me. I hope I'm not disappointing all my burp watchers out there. Cause look, that vintage cola never disappoints. No. I'm in denial, y'all. Okay, don't fall. Look at that, y'all. Look at that crisp. Oh. Y'all. Scrub the ground. Look. When I'm scrubbing this this Waffle House container, y'all. I'm like, baby, is you okay? Is your family feeding you at home? Oh, baby. What's going on? Y'all, last piece of toast. And they never overbread this. I mean, overbread. They never over butter this. I find it fantastic. Like, it's a perfect ratio. Sorcery. Do y'all like my wider tray setup? I like it. Head in the frame. You can still see the food, and I have to put my food off camera, right? So yeah, I'm digging it. I'm digging it. Pull of bacon. Got a little bit of egg and potato left. I'm a cute little breakfast bread taco. Ooh. Oh. Y'all, I'm getting clumsy now. Hold on. Hold on. So I had a burp, y'all. My cat is like twining around my legs. She know Waffle House smell like. She like, oh, so you gonna eat with your friends, but you ain't gonna feed your child? Y'all like how I give my cat personality? Hey, bacon. They did right. Excuse me. Excuse me. Y'all. I'm so sorry. But am I? I was even got some burping action, y'all. Burp action. Y'all. Okay, I'm gonna knock this thing over. I need to chill out. Where's the fork? Hold on, do we need a little more syrup? Yeah, we might need a little more syrup. Because technically I didn't clear out the container. I didn't clear it out. I'm like, it's feels a little bready to me. And I like bread, but it's like, bro, what is syrup? Y'all, let me dip it in there. Let me sop it up for y'all. You gotta have a bite. And y'all, and no, I didn't just get Waffle House for myself. My husband in his office, smacking down on the same food I'm eating. But he got bacon and sausage. Oh man, give me the meat. Wow, that's so good. Be careful. It's like instant, y'all. For real. Excuse me. Y'all, it's extra, this video is extra burpy. My stomach is happy, y'all. It's happy. Gentle. Why am I so heavy-handed? Like, chill out. Bite. So y'all, on Sundays, or my second video of the week, because at this point, what days do I post, right? I do book type vlogs. And y'all, I'm reading Honey and Spice right now. And y'all, it's good. Oh, it's so good. Like, ma'am, why don't you have more books out? Miss Bolu Babalola is the author of Honey and Spice. Where are the other books? I don't mean to say that so aggressively, but it's that good. I apologize. So by some sliver of small chance that you're watching this mukbang, because you too also like Waffle House, go ahead, slide a little book out. Add it on the calendar. The salty and the sweet. Whoa. And I know bacon and waffles not a new concept, but I rarely eat it together like opposite like this. Okay. It's good. Ridiculous. If you don't enjoy your food, what you doing? Oh y'all, I think I'll be able to get through this waffle. Like you like girl like you ever doubted. But I did. It's ridiculous. This waffle, ridiculous. And yes, y'all, I'm the kind of person who would choose waffle over pancake. Now, do I like waffles more than pancakes? I do. Do I also enjoy pancakes? Yes. If that makes sense. Because waffle gives me structure. It gives a little attitude, okay? And pancakes, they're just sweet, round. You like, girl, a pancake? Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Okay. I'm going in on this this girl's pancake. I'm going in on this waffle and neglecting my bacon. This is a reminder for those people who eat heavy, like something like this. Make sure you eat like during the beginning of the day so you can kind of move around, y'all. Work it down. Because this is the kind of meal you cannot have after 5. You can, of course, your choice. But girl. Oh, y'all. Try this. Now, if you're a soda drinker, like you drink Mountain Dews, Pepsis, actual Coca-Cola products, I wouldn't say try this because you're going to taste the difference. But like, I haven't had a soda in over a year. This tastes just like soda to me. So I'm sticking to it. I'm not going back to any other soda product. But if you haven't had like sodas in a while, try that. Give it a little try. Y'all will like it. Or Dr. Goodwin. It's like a Dr. Pepper. Y'all, so good. Clear, y'all. Clear. Let's move the butter off the tray. Okay. Now we just have our waffles left. What mark we at? Are we at 30 minutes already? So good. Y'all, look at that. Along with my raggedy nail, but it's okay. I'm gonna fix it this weekend. But y'all, so ready for this sinus issue to be over. I hope my fellow allergics out there understand me. Understand me. I'm gonna miss it when it goes. I'm gonna miss it. Why is it so good? But it's too good. I keep showing you the same different, the same waffle, different bites. You're like, girl, if you don't eat the food. I'm sorry, y'all, but I'm gonna share. I love clearing a plate. Like when I do my mukbangs, I don't put too much on the plate. I can finish it. And it's so satisfying. So satisfying. And hopefully by the time this post, maybe the day after this post, I'm back to 400 or even 400 plus subscribers. Because it's supposed to be like, oh, 400. But they're like, ooh, it would down to $3.99. But math rules round up. Mm-hmm. Or rounding. I'm still gonna take it as a win, guys. Y'all, I ain't gonna cut that. I'm gonna eat it like it is. Give y'all last bite. Cause I love y'all. Whew. Y'all, we're done. I have had a great breakfast. It was amazing. Thank you guys for watching this video and taking your time out to come back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like this channel, and share with a friend as well. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.